Are you planning a trip to Poland? Well, before you pack your bags and hit the road, there are a few things you should know to make your visit smooth and enjoyable. In this video, we're going to uncover the top 5 tourist mistakes to avoid when exploring this beautiful country. Mistake #1. Ignoring local customs and etiquette. Poland has a rich cultural heritage with unique customs and traditions. From greetings to dining etiquette, it's essential to familiarize yourself with these customs to show respect to the locals. For example, a firm handshake is the standard greeting, and it's customary to remove your shoes when entering someone's home. By understanding and respecting these customs, you'll leave a positive impression wherever you go. Mistake #2. Underestimating the weather. Poland experiences a range of weather conditions throughout the year, from chilly winters to hot summers. Many tourists underestimate the weather, leading to discomfort during their stay. Always check the weather forecast before your trip and pack accordingly. Additionally, bring layers to adjust to temperature changes throughout the day, especially if you're planning outdoor activities. Mistake #3. Limiting yourself to the capital. While Warsaw, the capital city, offers a vibrant mix of history and modernity, limiting your visit to just one city would be a mistake. Poland is home to many other gems waiting to be explored. Consider venturing beyond Warsaw to discover the stunning architecture of Kraków, the maritime charm of Gdansk, or the natural beauty of the Tatra Mountains. Each region offers its own unique experiences and attractions. Mistake #4. Skipping local cuisine for familiar options. Polish cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors and traditions, but many tourists opt for familiar international chains instead. Don't miss out on the opportunity to tantalize your taste buds with authentic Polish dishes like pierogi, dumplings, bigos, hunter's stew, and osypek, smoked cheese. Venture into local eateries and markets to experience the true essence of Polish gastronomy. You'll be pleasantly surprised by the culinary treasures waiting to be discovered. Mistake #5. Neglecting to learn basic Polish phrases. While many Poles speak English, making an effort to learn a few basic Polish phrases can go a long way in enhancing your experience. Simple greetings like dzień dobry, good morning, and dziękuję, thank you, will be appreciated by locals and can help break the ice. Plus, it shows respect for the local culture and language,